Yep, been using them for a few years now. Polymaster tanks, they're lightweight, so they're easy to move around. Don't need your bigger machinery to install them in the hole. They're strong and pre-plumbed, so easy connection. Yeah, I used to use the concrete septic tanks, but heavy, whereas the Polymaster's a lot lighter. Yeah, look, they save time and the finished look with the green lid. That's a plus. Yeah, 100%. Yep. Polymasters, I recommend it to anyone, any plumbers, any customers. Polymaster. Yep.